Everyone online says starting an AI automation business is cheap, some even say it's free. But nobody talks about the real costs, the hidden ones that decide whether you make money or quietly quit. In this video, I'll break down the exact dollar amounts, the tools you actually need, the costs most beginners underestimate, and the one cost that matters more than money. Let's start with the biggest lie. Technically, yes, you can start learning AI automation for free. But here's the reality. Clients don't pay you for curiosity. They pay you for reliable systems. You can start with free versions of AI tools like ChatGPT for learning and experimenting. Once you're working with real clients, consistency matters. A paid AI plan, usually around $20 per month, is strongly recommended once you land a client. Tools like Zapier or Make.com power the actual automations. Most beginners can operate entirely on the free tier at first. For client delivery and organization, you can use mostly free tools like Google Workspace, Notion, and Canva. This is where many people overcomplicate things. So let's be clear. Your real startup tool cost is usually somewhere between $0 and $20 per month. With your first paying client, that might increase to around $30 or $40 total. Now here's the part most people ignore. The biggest cost of starting an AI automation business is not software. It's time. Time spent learning what businesses actually want automated. Clients do not pay for AI. They pay for solutions like automated lead follow-up, appointment booking, or internal reporting. You need to invest 10 to 20 focused hours practicing real workflows. This is the cost that separates people who succeed from people who quit. Let's talk about getting clients. Thankfully, this part can cost you nothing upfront. Your portfolio costs nothing. Build 2 or 3 example automations. The key is to show before and after results, not the tools themselves. Outreach is also free. You can reach potential clients through email, LinkedIn, cold messages, or short videos. The real cost here is consistency and rejection tolerance. Some people choose to add credibility boosters, like a simple landing page or a custom domain. This is optional, but if you choose to do this, expect to spend around $10 to $30 total. Now here's what surprises most beginners. Scaling an AI automation business is cheap. With 3 to 5 clients, your monthly costs scale up to around $80 to $120 per month for higher automation task limits and paid tools. Meanwhile, most automation clients pay between $250 and $1,000 per month. That margin is exactly why this business model is growing so fast. Let's summarize the real numbers. Compared to most business models, this is incredibly lean. Startup cost, $0 to $20. Operating with your first client, roughly $26 to $40. Scaling to 5 clients, around $80 to $120 per month. If you've been thinking about starting an AI automation business, now you know the real cost and the real opportunity. Download my free AI Money Starter Kit below for beginner workflows and a simple plan to earn your first $50. Subscribe for daily videos where I show you how to build systems, land clients, and turn AI into income step by step. This is Purposefully AI. Simple systems, real income.